Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how I installed this wig from Amazon. It's a 36-inch full HD lace box braids from a company called Lexqui. The package brings a wig cap, some MAC eyelashes, and some hair accessories. And this is the wig. My first impression was that it was kind of heavy, but not so much, and the hair is pretty soft. So this is how it looks. And it has baby hairs in the front and also in the back. It comes with an adjustable band and one comb in the back and two combs on the sides. And this is how the inside looks like. Let me tell y'all, this is my first time ever trying to install a wig using glue. So you're going to see many faults. But let's get into it. I'm going to be using this edge control. And let me tell you, it works really well, along with the edge brush. So I'm just going to go along my hairline, making sure that everything is nice and slick back. So that way all the loose hairs are out of the way. I go along the back as well, just to get that out of the way too. Now, do not take this video as a tutorial because, like I said, this is my first time ever. So you do not want to make the same mistakes that I did. I told you that edge control really works. But now I'm just going to be brushing everything back because you want the hair to be as flat as possible. At least that's what I've learned watching multiple videos. So here I have it all in a ponytail, little micro ponytail that I have. So I'm gonna go with the wig cap and attempt to do this bald cap method. I say attempted because yeah, you'll see in the end. You'll see. So here I'm trying to just stretch it all the way out as far as it can go, and then cutting holes into the ears so that I can get my ear out of it. And I'm going to be doing that to the other side as well. So now that I have the ears cut out, I can go in with my Ebon Wonder Lace spray and just spray that around my hairline. Now I'll be going in with a medium cool temperature just to dry that spray around my hairline. And I'm going to be doing this a total of 3 times. This is my second time now. So now that the spray has dried, it's time to cut the extra lace off. And by this time, I was dying to get that lace cut from around my ear because my ears were screaming from how tight it was. So now I'm just going to go around my hairline and cut all that extra lace off. You'd see me lifting it up because I glued it down way too low. And now it's time to do the other side. So now after I have all that glued down, I tie the back into a knot and then I just cut the remaining string. And now it's time to put on the wig. So now that I have it on, I can start adjusting it, making sure that everything is lining up where it's supposed to line up at. Because the last thing you want to do is glue on a wig and find out that the line down the middle is crooked as hell. So now I'm pretty satisfied with how straight everything is. Now it's the task of cutting off the ear tabs. This one was a challenge for me because I was hesitating to cut it because I did not want to ruin the wig, but I eventually got it. Now it's time to cut the lace from the ear tabs.
Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, baby, yeah, I only want you, yeah, 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 yeah.
So now that I'm satisfied with where the wig is sitting, I'm gonna go ahead with my Ebon wig glue and put that all along my hairline. I'm not planning on keeping this on for too long, so I'm just gonna do 2 layers of the wig glue. Then I'm just gonna go in with the other end of my edge brush just to spread out the wig glue and make it as even as possible. Now I'm just gonna pass it along with my blower just to get the glue dry and clear. And then I'll go and do it again. So now that the glue has become clear, I can go ahead and lay the hair down. But before I do that, I want to make sure again that it's where I want it to be. And once I'm satisfied again, then I'm going to press down on the sides of my head and also on the top. So here I'm just pressing down on the lace so I can get it to stick to the glue. Right here, I don't know why I started twisting the baby hairs. I saw some girl on YouTube do it, so I was like, let me do it too. So now I'm going to be using my wig band to get that lace sticking nice and tight against the glue. And I'll just be leaving this on for about 20 to 25 minutes. So it's been exactly 25 minutes now. I'm gonna take it off, and that way I can start cutting that extra lace off. Now I'm gonna add some powder along the hairline just to try to blend that lace in better. I'm not sure it did anything. I don't really see a difference. I don't know if you guys can, but just let me know in the comments. So now I'm gonna go in and trim these baby hairs. I think I might have cut them too short, but I'm sure you guys will be the judges of that. Just let me know down below. So now I'll be going in with my edge control and just trying to do whatever kind of swoop you see here. I'm telling you, this was my first time. So it's not gonna be perfect. It's gonna look a hot mess. But this is how I learned. I actually have to do it hands-on instead of just watching somebody do it on YouTube. I actually have to go along and do it myself. I'm laughing right here to myself because I know it looks crazy. That's how I do it. This was my first time. Y'all don't know how many videos I've watched how to install this wig. I mean, for my first time, I think I did all right. I did all right. But what do you guys think? What would you do differently? Or what did I do wrong? If I did something wrong in one section or in another section or in every section. I love this wig. I mean, it's been years since I've got my hair braided, but that was back when I actually had hair. And it took a while because she had a weave-in extensions, and I remember sitting there, my back was cramping up and everything. But with this, I mean, you just put it on, glue the lace, and you good to go. I mean, of course, you gotta do some extra steps, but it's way less than what you would spend at a hair salon or even at a friend's house. But this is, I like it. I know my baby hairs could be a lot better. I'm trying to hide that lace. I mean, from far, you can't tell. Just don't get too close to me and we'll be all right. I mean, you could literally do anything you want with this. If I knew how to glue the back, then I could actually put it up in a ponytail or something. But I could put this up and it's easy to style. Like, you could put it however you want it. You can have it put it up in a bun at the top. I'm just doing this quick so y'all could see that there's a lot of styles that y'all could do with this. I'm not good at styling, so don't come for me. I'm just showing y'all some styles that you could do. Like, put a bun at the top. Or, I mean, you can put it to any side that you want to part it. I usually part it over on this side, but you can literally part it in any direction that you want it. What y'all think so far? Let me show you how the back. If I spin too much, you probably won't be able to see. I go from back here. So you can see the back. I mean, it has so much flow. So this wig is definitely worth it. I really wish I knew how to glue the back. But we're just gonna leave it at that because I am a beginner. I am in no way, shape, or form a professional, like at all. But yeah, go check out this wig. It's on Amazon. And let me know what you guys thought about it. So yeah, that was it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. I'd really like to know how I did for being my first time. Hope to see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Bye.